How to fix Cash App card declined. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Cash App card decline issue. To fix a declined Cash App card, you have to ensure you have a sufficient fund, the card is activated, and your app is updated. First thing first, open the banking app, tap and confirm, and you have enough funds for the purchase as well. Next, you also want to make sure or ensure your physical card is activated in the Cash App card section as well. And next, you just want to make sure to go to or verify your account details. For that, you just have to go to your profile and then tap on accounts. And you want to go to personal info to ensure all details are accurate and verified as well. You also need to check transaction limits. That means Cash App has spending limit. If you have exceeded them, you will need to wait for the limit to reset as well. And if Cash App suspect fraud, it may temporarily block the card. Check for your activity fee to confirm the transaction if requested as well. You also need to ensure you are using the latest version of Cash App from the App Store or Play Store as well. So these are things you need to try or keep in mind to fix Cash App card decline issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.